Hello.
Hello.
Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video. But we wanted to come to you for to share with you our spaghetti, and we have our famous Italian sauce. We have mixed mushrooms. We're about to add our onions. We have ground beef, and we have Italian seasonings, and we'll have salt and pepper. And then also we have our water back there boiling. We have Travion here helping me out. He's about to help me get the noodles in. Say hi, Travion.
Hi.
You like spaghetti?
Yes.
So we will let you know how it turns out. It smells very delicious in here. And so we've gotten the onions together. Travion is ready. Say hi again.
Hi.
Okay, we'll come back again. We'll have the ingredients down below. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video. Talk to you soon.
Talk to you soon.
Bye.
Bye.